Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best small animal nail clippers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any small pet owner, ensuring your furry, feathered, or scaled companions stay healthy and comfortable by preventing painful overgrowth, ingrown nails, and potential injuries that can arise from untrimmed claws, making regular grooming a breeze and a vital part of their overall well-being. Number 5. Gonicc Professional Dog and Cat Nail Clippers. Trusted by professionals, these clippers are designed for fast, safe, and precise trimming. They are ideal for daily grooming of medium to large pets at home. Featuring thick, premium stainless steel blades, they provide clean cuts with every use. This ensures long-lasting sharpness and protects your pet's paw health by preventing nail splitting. An integrated safety guard prevents overcutting and protects the sensitive quick. This makes trimming safe and worry-free, even for beginners. A hidden mini nail file is conveniently stored in the handle. You can instantly smooth rough edges after trimming for neat and comfortable paws. The contoured, anti-slip grips offer stable control and reduce hand fatigue. Enjoy a stress-free trimming experience with enhanced safety. What we like. This is a professional-grade tool recommended by vets and groomers. Its ultra-sharp blades ensure clean cuts, while the safety guard prevents overcutting. If you're looking for a reliable and safe option for your medium to large dog, this is a great choice for at-home grooming. What people say. The clippers are very sharp and cut cleanly. They have a safety guard to prevent overcutting. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. Number 4. Pet nail clippers for indoor cats and small animals. Trusted by millions of pet owners, these clippers were voted best overall for 2025. Elevate your pet grooming experience with the go-to choice. Designed for a variety of small pets like dogs, kittens, birds, and bunnies. Use them as kitten nail clippers or general pet nail trimmers for precise results every time. Trim your pet's long, sharp claws quickly, easily, and comfortably. The ergonomic, anti-slip handle provides a steady grip for safe and efficient grooming. Help improve your pet's behavior and protect your indoor furniture. These clippers reduce their ability to claw and damage couches and sofas. Get a step-by-step grooming guide with our Happy Paws Tracker app. It helps beginners trim nails gently and confidently, even on the first try. What we like. This clipper is specifically designed for small animals like kittens, rabbits, and birds. Its precision blades and steady grip make trimming easy and safe. If you have a tiny pet or are new to grooming and want a guide to help, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The clippers are sharp and cut cleanly, making nail trimming quick and easy. The built-in safety guard prevents overcutting, which is great for peace of mind. They are comfortable to hold and maneuver, even for small or wiggly pets. Number 3. YABIFE Super Quiet Dog Nail Grinder and Clippers Kit. Experience a calmer grooming routine with our super quiet pet nail grinder. Its low vibration and sound, under 30 dB, ensure a relaxed trimming experience for your furry friend. Our built-in LED lights illuminate your pet's nails, allowing for precise trimming and greater confidence. This feature is especially helpful for beginners and darker nails. Achieve a perfect finish by first clipping excess length and then using the grinder to smooth rough edges. This two-step process ensures safer, smoother nails for your pet. With 3 adjustable speeds up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, you can customize the trimming intensity for pets of all sizes. Start slow for sensitive pets and increase speed as needed. This USB-C rechargeable kit includes everything you need for at-home pet nail care. Enjoy over 12 hours of cordless use on a single 2-hour charge. We've designed this grooming tool with your pet's comfort in mind. The quiet operation and low vibration minimize stress, making nail trimming a breeze. What we like. This is a unique electric grinder and clipper kit with a super quiet motor. The LED lights help you see exactly where to cut, and it offers multiple speed settings. If you have a pet that's easily scared by noise or vibration, or if you want a smoother finish after clipping, this kit is ideal. What people say. The clippers are sharp and cut cleanly. They have a safety guard to prevent overcutting. The ergonomic design makes them comfortable to hold and use. Number 2. Mr. Pen Cat Nail Clipper. Introducing the Mr. Pen Cat Nail Clipper, designed for precise and safe trimming. Maintain your cat's nail length without causing discomfort or injury. It features a comfortable, non-slip handle for a secure hold. This minimizes accidental slips during trimming, ensuring a smooth experience. Equipped with sharp and durable stainless steel blades, it provides clean and efficient cutting. Nail trimming becomes quick and hassle-free. This clipper makes nail trimming easier for you and less stressful for your pet. Enjoy a more relaxed grooming session with efficient trimming. Perfect for cats of all sizes, from kittens to large adults. This versatile tool easily handles different nail sizes for convenient grooming. What we like? This clipper offers sharp, durable stainless steel blades for a clean cut. The non-slip handle ensures a secure grip, making the process easier and less stressful for both you and your cat. If you're looking for a straightforward, comfortable, and effective clipper for your cat, this is a solid option. What people say. The clippers are sharp and cut cleanly, making the process quick and easy. The built-in LED light illuminates the nail, so you can see exactly where to cut and avoid cutting the quick. Comes with a nail file to smooth rough edges after clipping. Number 1. Stainless Steel Cat Nail Clipper. Tired of messy nail trims? Our clippers provide a clean cut every time, preventing shredding and making grooming a breeze. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these clippers are built to last. Enjoy a mirror finish that looks as good as it performs. Designed for your feline friends, these clippers are also ideal for kittens, bunnies, puppies, and other small animals. Ensure a safe and comfortable grooming experience for your pet. The precise design minimizes the risk of injury. Keep your pet's nails perfectly trimmed with minimal effort. Achieve professional results at home with ease. What we like? This clipper is made from high-quality stainless steel for a clean, precise cut without crushing or shredding the nail. It's designed for small animals, ensuring safety and ease of use. If you prioritize a clean cut and a durable tool for your cat, kitten, bunny, or puppy, this is a great choice. What people say. The clippers are sharp and cut cleanly, making the grooming process quick and easy. The safety guard prevents accidental cuts, which is a great feature for peace of mind. Comes with a small file to smooth rough edges after clipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.